Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. I am so excited because I say this every time we do one of these. It is my favorite time of every season. It is the beautiful FabFitFun time. I am ready to open this bad boy to bring in spring, to get you guys ready, to walk you guys through everything that we got in this spring's FabFitFun box. I love this. They've been using this phrase, FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. I love this. They did I appreciate the box design every time I get one of these. So I'm excited. I have cut this open. I have not seen inside of it. I know what I picked, obviously, but I am very excited to walk you guys through this, how much everything costs, all of it. Let's get into it, shall we? Moment of truth. What does this month's box inside look like? Oh, spring has sprung. Spring is springing. It's very, very pretty. I love the florals in here in this color. Spring things. It says spring things inside. That's really cute. All right, here we go. Up at the top, we always get some fun little goodies. So we got some HelloFresh, and then we got a chance. FabFitFun always has like a game or something in here for us to participate in to win some extra money, some extra goodies, a trip, something of that sort. They always have it right up here at the top for us. So love it. Right up there. All right, let's get into this. First things first, I did do 2 add-ons. And so, you guys, I just love my jewelry. I love jewelry. And so what I did is I actually got 1 pair of Love AJ and 1 pair of Sterling Forever, which I'm wearing one of my Sterling Forever right now, and I wear them all the time. But I just got these. These are the Lavina Polished Micro hoop earrings. They're a nice little curved swoop to them. They're really, really nice. Beautiful, nice little size that I like. And then these Love AJ ones are smaller, and these are the mini ridge chain link huggies. And they are tiny, 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 tiny. But they're so cute, and I absolutely love them. I just love both of these brands, so anytime I see a nice little pair of earrings pop up, I wear them constantly. I buy them immediately just because they're really nice. All right, I am going to rip through all of this stuff. I'm gonna tell you the price, all of it. Yeah, so let's get into it. First things first, I got Living Proof. You guys know I love this. I love Living Proof. I started, it was a few boxes ago, getting this Living Proof product, and I put it in like once or twice a week, and it does Beautimous works for me. So this is the Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo. It deeply cleanses and removes product buildup. It's actually a full size, which is great. And this is $36. I love Living Proof's products. It's done really, really well with my hair. It smells good too, so I will take it. But this is like the full 8 fluid ounces. It's a non-stripping shampoo that is designed to deeply cleanse, removing buildup from products, pollution, and hard water, resetting hair to a blank slate for optimal hair treatment effectiveness. I love this, and I can't wait to use it and try it out to see if this works well with my hair, just like the other product that I have with them, because they have worked really, really well. So I'm excited to try this. Living Proof, $36. All right, next thing I've got in here, I wanted a little jangle. So this is 8 Other Reasons. This is a set of 5 beaded bracelets, and they're just gold. They're just really cute. They're being held together by this. I love this. It has a Care For Me tag. So, love me unconditionally, go gentle and very delicate. I can't swim. Perfume, no thanks, I'm allergic. Keep me safe at night. That is really cute. So it's just a nice little set of 5. Yes, they're individual, so you can put 3 on, you can put 2 on, but you put them on. Nice, just little cuffs. Like I said, you don't have to wear all 5, but I got these, and these are $45, and I'm excited to wear these. I think they're just a nice little additive that I can have with my permanent. Like I said, you can put on as many as you want, but they're just really nice little set of 5 beaded bracelets from 8 other reasons. All right, next thing in here is this INH Curve Vented Brush. To be honest with you guys, this was a little bit selfish because I kind of needed a new brush. And so I was like, oh, perfect. And it's kind of the big size that I need with how much hair that I have. And it's, look at that. That is awesome. I love the color of this. Like, look at that shape. That is so cool. So this was kind of a selfish purpose. So I was like, oh great, I get a new hairbrush while I'm at it. Smooth out your hair troubles with the INH Hair Wide Vented Brush. This vented brush speeds up blow dry time while reducing tugging, damage, and frizz during styling. It's heat resistant, anti-static nylon bristles glide through and detangle thick, straight, wavy, or curly strands snag free. So I'm really excited to use this and get a new little use out of it. I love the handle of it. It's nice. And like I said, I'm excited. Like, that shape is just tripping me out. But this is $20. Excited that I get to new brush while at it. I swear one of these times I should do an ASMR of just unwrapping everything as like a separate episode. Future Danielle, write that down. All right, the next guy in here is from Quiet Hours. It is a facial ice roller. I got this for $48. Nice. Okay, place the roller with its protective cover in the freezer at least 15 minutes before use. Cleanse your face and apply lotion if desired. Remove the cover and roll along forehead, cheeks, and jawline. Clean roller after each use and allow to dry before placing in the freezer again. Benefits: helps reduce puffiness, tighten skin, and calm redness. So we take this out. Oh, the handle's really skinny. So very, very skinny handle. This is the roller up top, and then in here is the protective covering that goes on it. Just like that. But that's very nice. Yeah, frozen, that's gonna do wonders in the morning. Quiet Hours. This is a brand new brand for me, but I'm excited to try this roller and see how it works. Okay, I feel like I've seen this around everywhere right now, especially on TikTok and like travel videos and stuff like that. This is the Desi Skin Pack-It-All Multi-Purpose Hanging Travel Bag. I feel like I've seen so many of these around, and so this is $42. I love the cream color. I love the texture on it. This is really nice because it feels like if anything gets on it, it's like you can wipe it off really, really easily. So it's got this handle up top here. It's got a side pocket right here that opens all the way up. And it has brush. You can put brushes here. There's a pocket here as well. I think there's one on each side. There is one on each side. Yep. Same sort of pocket. And then the big guy, open this guy up. Okay, so you've got the hook right up top here. You got some clear zippers right here. Oh, this actually comes down too. Or this comes out. This comes out, so you can put stuff in it, but it has a strip right there. You can put it in. Right down here, there's more compartments. And then there's also this zipper down here as well, and you can put more stuff in here. Like, this is a lot of space, but it all comes back together to one very nice hanging. This will be interesting to see like how much space it takes up, because sometimes you want your cosmetics to, when you're packing in a carry-on like I have to do a lot, you want your cosmetics to be as small as they possibly can. So it'll be interesting to see how much you can put in here and how small you can keep it. But really, really like this. I like the texture. I like the color. Like I said, I like the material. There's a ton of space in here, which I appreciate. And I always enjoy a hanging, so you can hang it in your hotel and you're not having to worry about shit all over your countertops. It's just really nice and right there. So I cannot wait. I'm gonna try this out here soon. But Desi Skin Pack-It-All Multi-Purpose Hanging Travel Bag, $42. I just noticed this, what slipped in my box is actually, this is the deodorant that I wear. And so they put this in for little trials, and I actually keep these in my purse as a just in case deodorant. So I got a new one, which is really nice. All right, the last item in here is actually a woman that I have been following for a little while on TikTok. and on social media, because she started this brand with these hat clips that is just genius, and then she's diversified and done other things. So Lindsay Albanese, this is her laptop clutch, $49. I really love the pattern and the hook of it all. So laptop, of course, goes right up top here, but it also has a space back here for you to put like a notebook or something in here, so it's not just for your laptop. But I really like this, that I can put laptop easily in here when I'm on the road, I have meetings, and I'm needing just something really simple. It can all go right in here. So this is really nice. Like I said, I like the texture, I like the quality. The daily laptop clutch fits a 14.5-inch laptop in your everyday essentials in the front, in the extra front pocket. I really like this. I'm so excited to use this. And if you don't follow Lindsay, you should definitely go follow Lindsay, because she's got a great social media presence of actually showing you a lot of the use cases of all of her products and how she travels with them, her story, everything like that. So definitely go check it out. It's really cool. But Lindsay Albanese laptop clutch, $49. Excited to use it. All right, y'all, box is empty. That is this spring's FabFitFun box. I am so excited I always love kicking off my season like this because it's so much fun. There's new things to try. There's a new smell in the air, and so it's really cool to be able to start every season like this with FabFitFun. If you guys do not have your own FabFitFun boxes coming to you every season, you should definitely go get it. It's totally customizable. You guys can pick and choose whatever you want. You can put add-ons. You can do all these different cool things. But other than that, the community is fantastic. There's a lot of great ways to get involved with other members. There's so many different forums to join. So hop in, grab your own FabFitFun box. I'm gonna have it linked down below. I'm also gonna have all these products linked down below as well, so you guys can check them out and get a closer look at them. But as always, I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.